Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss about how to recover deleted contact from Android mobile. So keep watching this video, be carefully. First open contact app on your mobile. You can see I have recently deleted 17 contacts from here. How to recover it? Simply close this window and open Play Store application. Here guys, search Google contacts from here and simply install this application is very helpful for recover your contacts. Here simply open this application and you can see, tap on it and allow permissions from here and wait for a few seconds. You can see, tap on profile icon and select the your Google account from here. For recovering your contacts from here, you can see, here tap on it and you can see no any contact in this account because I have recently deleted in this account 17 accounts. Simply tap on this icon. Now tap on setting here guys. Now scroll down and tap on undo changes and select the account where you contact list deleted. Tap on it and here it is asking you time when your number is deleted and I have recently deleted, so I am selecting this one. You can see appears on screen and after this, now tap on confirm from here. Tap on it and wait for a few seconds and go back. I hope your numbers are recovered okay from here and so guys, go back from here and tap on it and simply tap on contact from here and you can see my 17 contacts recovered. Finally you can see appears on screen. I have recently deleted 17 contacts for making a video for you. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.